Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your billing address on Cash App. First, open Cash App on your phone. Then tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and tap Personal. Here, you'll see your address section. Tap on it and you can either update or replace your current address. Enter your new billing address, tap Next, and save your changes. And that's it. That's how to change your billing address on Cash App. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.